Virtual University, Pakistan's first university based completely on modern information and communication technologies, was established by the government as a public sector institution with a clear mission to provide extremely affordable, world-class education to aspiring students all over the country. VU delivers education through a judicious combination of broadcast television and internet. VU courses are handcrafted in meticulous detail by acknowledged experts of the field. Video lectures are recorded in a professional studio environment and are broadcast over Virtual University's own television network. The Virtual University is offering more than 80 formal degree programs in areas of computer science, information technology, management sciences, social and life sciences, including numerous certificate and diploma programs. Overall, more than 500 courses are offered in these programs in e-learning environment. These courses are mentored by more than 400 full-time faculty members who are well-versed with online coaching and teaching methodologies using indigenously developed state-of-the-art ICT infrastructure. The university has a presence in more than 120 cities of the country with a network of over 204 campuses that are well equipped to provide quality ICT-based education. Being the pioneer in the ICT-based education of the country, Virtual University cherishes a legacy of exceptional success and unprecedented achievements that has made it unique in many ways. Virtual University is the only institution capable of providing all the required expertise, experience, human resource, and technical infrastructure. Virtual University has developed more than 250 professional degree courses with more than 10,000 hours of lecture recordings. Total number of enrolled students of Virtual University since its inception in 2002 is around 395,000 with 75,000 active students. Virtual University is providing high-quality education through its own developed software and systems. A strong team of dedicated IT professionals, well-versed with best industry practices, is responsible to design and develop university software required by its faculties, employees, and students. During the last 18 years, IT team has developed a comprehensive university management system integrating various departments' functionality. The brief of these systems are University Web Portal, Virtual Information System, Learning Management System, Unique Examination System, Software Development Experience for internal and external clients. More than 4.9 million courses registrations till date with an average of 200,000 registrations per semester, 500 active courses, an average of 9 million LMS logins in each semester, an average of more than 150,000 logins every day, 600,000 plus assignments submissions per semester, more than 650,000 quizzes attempts, more than 60 million LMS page views in recent semester. Virtual University has experience of developing quality online educational contents, experience of managing and running pure online education programs and training projects in Pakistan. The techniques used in topic authoring provide information developers with a way to create distinct modules of information that can stand alone for users. Each topic contains enough content for someone to begin and complete a task, grasp a basic concept, or look up critical reference information. Welcome to the innovative world of Virtual University Television Network. For over 15 years, Virtual University Television Network has been helping the students and professionals to increase their potential through our high-value marketing intelligence and innovative solutions. The journey starts with the Auditions of Talents, which is a part of pre-production. Body language of talent, confidence, knowledge, voice orientation, attire, and outlook are the key components of the audition. Course development is the next step to move forward for a video production. Course outline, time, and estimated duration of the complete course is discussed and finalized in this step. After the approval of audition and course outline, meetings with the resource person are planned and a roadmap for the coming recording sessions is finalized. A team of highly skilled professionals with cutting-edge technology gear up for the recording in the studios. VU TV has its in-house audio-video editing state-of-the-art setup where our professional editors craft the projects with uniformity as per the required broadcast standards. to transfigure complex ideas into clear visual essence. VUTV Network has a wide assortment of 2D and 3D animation services. Once the product is ready, a team of highly experienced members check the technical aspects and content quality so that a sensible product should reach the target audience. At the conclusion of the content's development, the distribution process starts. Virtual University produces the DVDs of the required courses for the students. VUTV Network comprises of 4 free-to-air television channels. VU YouTube channel has more than 118,000 subscribers. For the ease of modern-day students, VU has Facebook page with more than 500,000 likes and followers. VU LMS is also another source for the students to get the video lectures. These platforms are also used to disseminate the video contents.
Virtual University of Pakistan. World-class education at your doorstep.